Hello everyone, I am Rohan from QuickSense Innovation. In this video, I am going to explain about digital energy meter product DM100A MC. This is in multicolor. So we can use it in our home, offices and industrial purpose to get the measurement of the energy consumptions. So I am unboxing the product. This is the main digital meter, digital energy meter, one CT along with this, and here is the connection. For this connection diagram also given in the back side of the product. One user manual also. In this you can see the connection diagram and all technical specifications about the product. So I am going to connect it through the supply and talking about its working and connections. So we connect our main supply through here, 220 volt AC input, and outputs phase should be go through this CT to measure the value. Its operating voltage is 40 volt to 300 volt. Accuracy is 1%, about 1% is its accuracy. It's up to 100 ampere current, and its resolution, minimum resolution is about 0.01 ampere. So I am going to connect it through the wire, and its load, my load is our bulb, one LED bulb. So as per the wiring diagram, I have connected it through the power supply here. Phase and neutral of the input to 20 volt supply is here, and in the load one bulb, about 9 watt bulb connected through the phase of this phase CT through the phase wire here. Now I am going to switch on the main supply, and so light will get on, and energy meter display is showing. Now it is showing 6 parameters, 6 different parameters. First one is voltage. The input voltage is 240.0 volt. 240 volt is input showing. It's varies. Second one is ampere, about 0.03 ampere. The LED bulb is about 9 watt, so it's showing 0.03 ampere current running through the load. Third one is its wattage. It is 8.1 watt energy consuming. 8 watt bulb, 8 watt energy consuming display. Fourth one is frequency. Frequency is 50 hertz, and it's showing 49.9 hertz. It's 0.1 variation. Fifth one is kilowatt hour, or you can say unit. So 0.00 just for testing. So energy consumption per hour, how many kilowatt hour energy consumed it's showing. Currently 0.00. And sixth one is power factor. It is showing 0.95. So all 6 parameter it's showing in different color. You can see that. So that's all about the energy meter 100 ampere MC multicolor. You can use it for your home and offices, hotels and industrial purpose to measure the units, energy consumptions, and voltage, power factor, and power consumed. So we can use for up to 100 ampere, and AC voltage must be 40 to 300 volt. So this is all about this digital energy meter. Okay, thank you.